In this video, we'll take a look at Facebook Watch, the place where you can manage all the different video content you see on Facebook, and I'll show you how you can select what channels you want to follow going forwards. Here we go. So you can see here on your home page the Watch button, little blue play button, and instantly as soon as you click on it you go to the home feed. You see some top recommended videos for you, and you have the option to follow these sites. You can click on the video, save it to your collections there, you can copy the link, and you can choose to follow them as well. So basically everything that you choose to follow goes onto your what's called your watch list. So this is an example of a local site, so you can either follow or unfollow from there. Click the notifications bell to be notified about it, and you can click here to write a post that includes it. Looking at some of the other content, you get the chance for each channel to present a brief summary of what it's about, and these will often be videos that you may have stopped on your phone scrolling through it and watch something, and then it'll be automatically added. So if you want to review what's on your watch list, you can see accepting receive updates or not, and if you want to remove completely, you remove, and then simply if you want to add something else, you say add to watch list. So it accumulates over time. If I just show you now with all these watch lists, you can create playlists of content as well. You can set up your own watch page for items like this. If you look in the current 2020 version, new Facebook, you'll see again pretty much the same options, just more clearly presented. Home, shows. We can pick out particular original content on Facebook as well. Any live content going on at the moment, and anything you save to come back to later. Okay, so that's Facebook Watch. Notice you can access it from this third icon across the top on the new version as well. So I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.